Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to guide you on how you can download and install Python successfully on your Windows, Mac OS or Linux. So first things first, let's go to your favorite browser and type Python, then press enter. Press the first link on your screen. You are going to appear on the official site of Python. Go to the download section. We want to download the latest version for Windows, Linux or Mac OS, but because I'm using Windows operating system, we are just going to click on Windows and we are going to search for the latest version of Python, which was published on February 6th, 2024. We are going to download Windows installer 64-bit. So click on the first Windows installer, and immediately after clicking on the Windows installer, it's going to appear on your download history. So I'm going to cancel it because I have downloaded mine earlier, and proceed to the files section. So we are going to click on the file that has just downloaded, double click on it, and you are going to see the interface for Python Windows. We are just going to add Python to path and customize the installation. So we have the documentation. It's going to install the Python documentation files. It's going also to install the pip. So what is a pip? Pip is the recommended package for installer for Python. It allows you to download and install Python packages from the Python package index. You can use pip install numpy to install numpy library for numerical computing in Python. It's going also to install the IDLE. IDLE is the Integrated Development and Learning Environment. It is a graphical user interface for Python. It's a good starting point for beginners as it provides a user-friendly environment to write, edit and run Python code. So you can think of pip as a delivery person who brings you the tools you need for your Python project. You can also think an IDLE as your workbench where you can write code, use the delivery tools and test your creations. So after clicking on documentation pip IDLE Python test suite, just click on next. We are also going to install Python version for all users. Must click on it and click on install. We are going to wait for the installing and setup to process and finish. So it's almost done. We'll just have to be patient. It's almost done. So it's pre-compiling standard library. We're just going to wait for a few minutes. So after the setup is successful, we're just going to close this interface and close the files. Go to the start button and type IDLE to see if it's done. We can see that IDLE is successfully installed. I'm going to open it and we will print something. You can just write print CHEIZ Tech, which is the name of our channel, and press enter. You can see that Python is successfully installed on our PC. Just close the IDLE and go to command cmd so that we may check the version which we have installed. So to check the version that you have installed on your PC, you're just going to write Python space hyphen, 2 hyphens, not those one, and version, and then press enter. So on your screen you can see that the version is 3.12.2. So thank you for watching. If you have not subscribed to our channel, kindly do so that you can be updated.